Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I wanted to share with you how I've been using my Gucci Marmont small shoulder bag, and this has been my go-to bag for the last 8 weeks. And I also wanted to share different SLGs that I've used that I believe are very practical. So if you are considering a smaller handbag, hopefully this video is helpful. So I'm going to share with you how I have it set up right now. So it's, I guess, what's inside my bag. And then I'm going to give you my personal opinion about this bag and let you know if it's worth it or not. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek. Now, the way that I have it set up right now is the system, I guess, that I have been using for the last 2 to 3 weeks. And it's just worked out very well for me. So I'm very, very happy with that. But this is what the inside looks like, and I'm going to share with you what I have in the interior pockets, which is kind of very basic, but yet are items that I pretty much have in all my handbags. And here I have a pack of tissues because I always need to carry some tissues. And then I have my clay from Louis Vuitton in the monogram print, and I absolutely love this clay. I just add a lot of cards from the supermarket, from the pharmacy, all that good stuff. And then I have a super mini tiny lipstick from Givenchy, and this is a gorgeous red, which I think is actually a perfect color for the fall. And I've been using this the last couple of weeks. Today I'm using one from Sephora, and I will make sure to give you the name on the description box. All right, so now I'm going to show you what I have inside, and then I'm going to start with what I have in the back. And here I have the zipper pouch that comes with the Louis Vuitton Josephine wallet, and I absolutely love this piece. I really don't use a lot of cash. I kind of just use my credit card. So when I do need to use bills, I just take this out. And I do have to say that at first it was a little bit of a hassle trying to fit the bills, but I am very crazy with stuff like this. I like to have all my bills straightened out. So this works very, very well. And a side note, I think this is probably one of the best wallets from Louis Vuitton because you have this extra piece. And I don't really use the Josephine wallet that much, but I definitely use this. So this is a huge plus. All right, and then here I have 2 different card holders, and the first one I'm going to share with you is the one from Chanel. This is in the silver hardware, and I got this during the springtime in Orlando, and I absolutely love it. I love the color. And this is the one that I've been using for personal. So my ID is here, also my credit cards, and then this card holder has a zipper in the middle, which I absolutely love. Inside I just have like positive notes, affirmations that I read every day, and then also like an emergency cash. So that's why I got this card holder, but I absolutely love it. And then this here is the YSL with the gold hardware, and this is where I keep all of the credit cards for my business. And this system just works very well because I tend to keep everything separated. So when I do my books at the end of the month, nothing is complicated. So this works very, very well. But I absolutely love these card holders. I also have here my iPhone. So with the iPhone, I believe this is the 7, I do have a case for it, but it's a very thick, so it makes the bag very bulky, so I don't like it. So when I use the bag, I just kind of just take out the case and just use this. So I do have a protector for my phone, but yeah, that would be my suggestion. If you have the iPhone, maybe the case might be a little too much. And then here I have my Louis Vuitton 6-key ring holder. Now, recently I just purchased a new set of wheels. So I don't have my car key in here anymore, which honestly I like it this way because I used to fuss a lot trying to close you know, the key holder. And now I just kind of have the keys that I need, slim keys, and I'm ready to go. So I love that. And then I have the key to my new car. So that is what, let me try that again. That is what I have inside currently in my small Marmont. All right, so I'm going to now show you another way that I use this. So basically gonna put this away and just keep certain items. So one thing that I did use a lot was the flip wallet, and here I have the matching Gucci Marmont flip wallet in the same color, and I believe the color is Emerald, but a lot of people just call it green, and I absolutely love this flip wallet. I'm really into flip wallets this year, and I really wanted a pop of color, so I definitely got that with this wallet, and which after using this for a while, it kind of motivated me to get the small Marmont. So that's the reason behind it. But I love this flip wallet because, you know, you have enough room for all of your day-to-day cards, definitely your ID. If you don't have something for your coins, you can use the pocket here in the middle. And then of course you have room for your cash. So super convenient. So basically I just take the flip wallet, I'm gonna add what I have in the interior pocket. I'm just gonna put that back inside. And then I'm going to add my phone again, card key, and then my keys. I just wanna make sure that I'm able to close this. Yay. Oh, I love it, so easy. All right. And this is what it looks like with the flip wallet. So you still have room to add more makeup if you like. Maybe you like to take notes and you want to put some pencils and paper in here. You definitely have room for it. So just wanted to show you that option as well. Another way I used it is with a mini Pichette. And here I have the Louis Vuitton in a demi event print. I absolutely love the mini Pichette. I think it should be a must if you're starting out your collection, because this is what we consider a catch-all. You can just use this as a wallet, maybe as a card holder, maybe as change, you know, things for your phone, like accessories, whatever it is. So in the past, what I did was I just took my YSL card holder, and then I also added in here some cash. I also added my keys and a lip gloss, which is great. Now, the only thing with the mini Pichette is my iPhone doesn't fit in here. So that's just something to keep in mind. And that's it. So I'm just gonna take out the iPhone, just kind of organize this quickly. But basically, you still have plenty of room. So, same thing, everything in the back stays the same, and then you have the mini Pichette, you have the keys, the phone, and your car keys, and you still have room. Love, love, love. And then the other option is, of course, to use a full-size wallet, and here I have the Emily wallet from Louis Vuitton in a Demi Azure. This was my go-to wallet last summer. I absolutely love this print, and I actually love this wallet because I find it that it's easier to use, especially if you use public transportation. This is a great wallet. I think it's phenomenal for that because you're not really taking out too many things. But this is the wallet that I also used. So obviously this is going to eliminate the 2 card holders and then the piece from the Josephine wallet. So you put that in here, put everything in here. And then I'm going to add my phone again and the 6-key ring holder and my card keys. All right, and this is what it looks like. Love it. Love, 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 love it. All right, so those are the SLGs that I use with this particular bag, and I think that that is the key when it comes to using smaller handbags, is to just really look at what you do have to carry. I think a lot of us who are used to like medium to larger bags, we tend to carry everything under the sun, and we don't really need everything. And that for me was a little bit difficult at first, but I was able to compromise. So everything that I pretty much showed you guys is what I use on a day-to-day basis, and using it with this bag was just great because now I'm kind of like smarter, right? with things that I do need to carry. But SLGs are probably your key for a smaller bag. So just kind of look at what you have. Maybe you don't need to worry so much about smaller bag. Maybe you need to consider purchasing smaller SLGs. That's one way to look at it. But that being said, giving you so many pros about this bag, do I think that this bag is worth it? And I'm going to say absolutely. I love the color. I get so many compliments, and to be honest with you, this was a little risky for me because as I'm getting back my collection, I have a lot of basics, or at least I think I do, and also colors. So the fact that I started out with a small SLG, well, SLG, a small leather good, in this color kind of motivated me to get this particular small handbag. And Honestly, Gucci has been great. I have 2 pieces from the Blooms Bloom collection, and that was just a knockout for me. So I'm absolutely loving it. When I first looked at the Marmont, I was actually looking at a medium size in the color taupe. I don't know if that's something that I would consider getting in the future, but I definitely do consider getting one in the velvet material because I think it is absolutely stunning. But aside from all those points, I also find that this is worth it because it's a bag that you can use obviously in your shoulder and as a crossbody, and I love that. I've used this numerous times where, you know, if I'm going out shopping, I use it as a crossbody, or if I'm going out to dinner at night or maybe a couple of drinks, whatever it is, I use it as a shoulder bag. So for those reasons, I'm going to say that it is worth it. I absolutely love, 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 love it. In terms of, you know, wear and tear for the last 8 weeks, I don't really see any visual defects with this bag, but I think it's just great. I mean, not a lot of people are too crazy about the heart in the back. To be honest with you, I think it's cute. It's not the reason why I got it, but I think it's just a unique detail, if you will, when it comes to this particular bag. But hands down, the color and the hardware combination completely took my breath away. I think it is absolutely stunning. I know that a few of the Gucci, independent Gucci boutiques have this, but also if you're considering something like this color, I would call the department stores. I know they tend to carry them. All right, guys, so that is everything that I have for this video. But before I let you go, I wanted to find out if you guys want me to do a Q&A or a get to know me better video. I didn't want to film myself and just blab about me and you guys are completely not interested. And I don't want any hands down on the videos. So let me know if you guys want that. And if you do, just make sure to leave me your comments or questions down below. I know I get a lot of questions about what I do for work. I do talk a lot about luxury and business and money on my channel. So definitely let me know. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and that's Wallet in Style. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. I would totally appreciate it. This way you are notified every time I upload a video, and I have some really, really good ones coming up. At least I think I do. I've been a little MIA lately, but that is because I've been working 7 days a week. This summer was absolutely crazy for me, but it's all good. I'm actually very, very happy. All right, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.